hospital bed while they were prepping me for emergency surgery scheduled for 6 in the morning. He answered on the third ring, sounding annoyed because he was at the gym. When I told him about the aneurysm and the brain surgery, his first response was complete silence. Then he said, "So this means we can't go to Cabo next month? And I guess you're going to be one of those people who can't do anything fun anymore, right?" The neurosurgeon was standing right there checking my charts, and I saw her eyebrows shoot up. Logan didn't even offer to come to the hospital because he had a work presentation in the morning that he couldn't reschedule.
So I tried a few different methods here. I tried using this where I would just hammer.
Surgery went perfectly, and I woke up with half my head very much alive. Logan visited once and spent the entire time listing all the activities I wouldn't be able to do anymore, like skydiving and bungee jumping and even roller coasters. That's when I realized that while I'd been literally fighting for my life, he was worried about his vacation plans. I looked him straight in the eye and told him to get out because I didn't.
I'm gonna come back over this in a little while with pain.
Inconvenience. He tried to backtrack.
So far on the